It's Uncle Mo's Exotic Elixers.
What's up, everybody? I'm Mo Bluntz. This is Uncle Mo's Exotic Elixirs. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you can get more recipe ideas. And if you haven't done so already, head over to mobluntz.com. That's Mo with no E, Bluntz with the Z.com, and get yourself some Mo's Original Cocktail Bitters. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Hibiscus Bitters in one of my favorite at-home cocktails. I'm going to spruce it up a little bit. I'm going to tell you how you can make it a little bit more simple if you want, but this is just how I do it at home. So Hibiscus Bitters, let's get started. We're going to start with a rocks glass, and I'm going to make this into my cocktail mixer here. Toss a rock in both the mixer and the glass. Start with my base spirit, which of course is tequila in my Margarita. And I'm going to do about 1.5 ounces of tequila. I'm using a Milagro Reposado today. Next, I'm going to do 0.75 triple sec. I'm using Tatter Salt Orange Crema. I'm going to do about 1.5 ounces of lime juice. Now's the fun part. We're adding Mo's Original Hibiscus Bitters. The primary ingredient, of course, is the hibiscus flower, which is what's going to give it its nice red hue. And then I add some citrus element, orange peel, and lemon peel. And the bittering element, of course, is cassia and gentian root, which is primary bittering element in most of these bitters. So I'm going to do about 3 drams full because I want that red hue when I shake it up with my cocktail. And plus it just smells really nice. So if you want to keep it simple, this is where you stop and you start to shake. Lately, in my hibiscus margaritas, I've been adding aquafaba, which is vegan egg white. You can add a real egg white if you prefer, but this just makes it really easy and it gives it a nice creamy vibe. And I do about a half a teaspoon to my shaker. Now we're going to shake. Strain into the rocks glass. Toss in a pinch of salt. And there you have it. Your hibiscus margarita. You can see that nice pink hue that the hibiscus bitters made for you. I get the hibiscus right up front. It's the primary element of smell that I get in this drink. It's way more forward than the tequila or the triple sec. So cheers. Thank you for joining me. Head on over to mobluntz.com and pick yourself up some hibiscus bitters and check out what else I have to offer. That's Mo with no E, Bluntz with a Z, and we'll see you on the other side of the cocktail. Cheers.